Hi, today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on Motorola Moto G5S. So, we just need to press and hold volume down button and the power key. The screenshot is ready. Now let's check it out. I go into gallery, turn on, sure. So by going to gallery, albums, screenshots, and right here we have our screenshot. Yeah, got it. And we can also edit it by pressing this pencil. We can just cut it or do anything we want. Done and save. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.